Welcome to the limestone house at Riverview Farmstead. This is the house that Margaret and Thomas built. They finished in the 1860s and they raised 6 children here. You can imagine with all those kids, they had to do a lot of farm chores in order to do what they had to do to make a living here at the farmstead, but they also found time for play. Especially in wintertime, you would find toys and games and activities that you could do kind of inside and a little bit more quiet and compact. One of the most popular toys at that time in the 1800s was something called a thaumatrope. Thauma just means wonder, and stroke is to turn. So it's a spinning wonder, this turning wonder. This is the classic design, just like this. This is science. When you go ahead and you look at an image and it goes into your eye, into your retina, you'll see it and it will stay there for a fraction of a second. If another image pops up at the same time or just after, then those two images start to merge together. It's a wonderful optical illusion that's so fun to play with. Do you want to make one for yourself? It's very simple. All you need are a couple of circles that you can cut out. You can have blank circles that you cut out and draw something on the opposite side. But the idea is that you want to create a story that comes together, a picture that comes together. So you're just going to get yourself a piece of paper, cut it out, and then you're going to tape it together. I like using a straw just because it's a little bit easier to put together. So I've got a paper straw right here or a piece of a stick, and all you're going to do is just put them together. Take a piece of tape. And because we are on the farm, I'm going to use the cow. Tape it to the straw on the one side. Take another piece of tape. We're using double-sided tape to make your lives a little bit easier. And we put the barn on the other side. And it's all done. Easy peasy. If you decide to do the classic design where you're using a string, make sure that when you tape your images together on the other side, they're upside down. So on the side here is upside down from that side. Hope you have fun. Enjoy your winter crafting time, and don't forget there's science involved in all of this.